So Greg, we want to talk about the new XP series. This is so exciting. This is our first true focus in the iron shaft category at bringing distance. It's all about explosive power. Been reserved for drivers, and then most recently the distance that fairway woods. They've been talking about distance with fairway woods. Now we're talking about it with iron. So talk a little bit about just the overall design of XP, and specifically how are we bringing more distance to the iron shaft category?
It's all about storing as much energy as possible and then releasing it at the moment of impact. And what we've managed to achieve is through developing new alloys within True Temper's engineering department, we're able to now come up with a design which has got a very, very thin wall up in the top section. We've gone to a slightly larger grip just to hold that stiffness, and then we've introduced what we're now calling the flex chamber, and that's stabilizing that midsection of the shaft, allowing us still to have a pretty responsive tip section. And we're able now to balance the launch angle and spin, and that's what's giving us that extra kick.
So historically, Greg, the super lightweight category has been reserved. There are exceptions that prove the rule, but primarily for higher handicap player profiles. Yep. And now with the new XP series, both the 95 and the 105, these are going in the elite forgings that are available out in the marketplace. So consumers are going to see these in the top line OEM forgings. So how is it a little bit different now that we've opened up the gates a little bit into a broader player profile with the XP series?
We've got a product now which is very stable in the midsection of the shaft. That's due to our flex chamber technology. And we're able now to broaden that, as you say, broaden that player profile and still give the slower swinger that responsive tip section, get the ball up in the air, maximize the carry, but at the same time the quicker swinger, as we're seeing now out on tour and some of these forgings, they're able still to control this lightweight structure, and lightweight means distance, and you're going to have a lot more distance and control over the ball, certainly in the mid to short irons, and that's where the XP really comes into its own. And we've got two different weights here. We've got the XP 95 and also the XP 105. Again, broadening that player profile and maximizing distance gains for everyone.